of people as we turn our attention to cooking. Yes, cooking. Cook with olive oil these days, but there's a chance you're not getting what you think. Consumer reporter John Matarese has a warning for you so you don't waste your money.
One of the hottest food trends these days is olive oil for cooking, for dressings, for dipping your bread in, even for dessert. But a new report says some of the oil you're buying is not what it appears to be on the label. Americans are so in love with olive oil that specialty shops are popping up all over.
This is organic Picual from Spain.
Co-owner Lynn Altonen helps customers taste before they buy.
That's good.
Like that?
You get fresh pressed oil out of sealed stainless steel drums poured as you watch. But Forbes magazine says so many companies have jumped onto the olive oil bandwagon that what you buy, in the magazine's words, is often a, quote, scam. Forbes says many cheap brands are only partially olive oil. Lynn says the problem is there are no labeling rules.
There's olive oil in it. They can put a splash of extra virgin olive oil in it, and it can be canola oil, safflower oil, and they can call it extra virgin.
While her oils are all labeled as to origin, she looked over some supermarket bottles that use oil from everywhere.
Spain, Argentina, Tunisia.
Another one says it's Italian oil,
It says packed in Italy.
but in the fine print,
Doesn't tell you where the olive oil came from. It only tells you where it was packed.
Forbes also says olive oil should be packed in dark bottles, not clear glass like this.
Clear bottle is not good for olive oil because being exposed to fluorescent lighting will break down the oil faster.
But Lynn and Forbes magazine say there is a simple solution. Look for extra virgin oil from one country, packed in a dark bottle. Forbes says olive oil is best used within a year of pressing. The best olive oils will tell you the date that the olives were pressed. Now, sure, you'll have to pay a little bit more, but you get the real thing, and that way you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese.
The White House is launching a March Madness